We do ship to attendees all over the world. So we've sent quite a few to the UK, to the US, various other countries, and we usually send the microscopes with the correct plugs as well to ensure that you are able to just simply plug the microscope into your wall socket to get going. If you have an existing microscope, it really depends on the specifications. So we could discuss the specifications required for live blood analysis. Not all microscopes are suitable, and not all dark field microscopes are suitable. So it depends on whether your old microscope has the required specifications. We do also allow practitioners to enroll in the course with a more basic type of microscope. So if it's not a full dark field system, you'll still be able to enroll in the course, but we do recommend upgrading to a high quality professional dark field microscope before seeing paying clients. The main reason being that there's a large number of anomalies that you'll potentially miss if you don't have a proper dark field system.